lights up the room, coffee on the desk, brushes in bloom. Every little swipe got a story to tell. From the drugstore finds to the high-end shelf. Blend that base, make it feel like skin. Soft brown crease, let the magic begin. Swatch on the arm, yeah, we keeping it real. Showing how it looks, how it wears, how it feels. Welcome back to All Things Drea. We glow together, yeah, I'll show you how. From first swipe to final stay. Stay right here, you can start right now. Welcome back to All Things Drea. Every shade, every face, every day. It's the sky, we can learn, we can play, yeah. All Things Drea. This is our space, Got a first date look, got a work day face. Got a running late liner, you could do in one take. Little lash hack, make the short one sing. Tiny dot tricks for a lifted wing. Chat in the comments, tell me what you need. Soft glam nights or a quick routine. Turn your mirror to a power place. Tiny tools, big time grace. Hey.
Hi everyone, welcome to All Things Drea. I just want to come on here and ask y'all guys, how did y'all like the new intro? Let me know how you like the new intro. Please leave a vote down in the comment section below, and let me know how y'all guys like it. I just want to change it because my intro for my makeup tutorials is Extreme Beauty Factor, and I'm no longer that on this channel, okay? So I just want to change it up for y'all guys. So y'all leave it in the comment section below and let me know how y'all like the new intro. Okay guys, and love y'all. Until next time, I'll talk to y'all soon.
For one day, let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. Oh, I knew that it would die, that we would come to this, that we would say goodbye. Someone help me see. Help me free.
to see you crying on your pillow. Never wanted you to feel like I'm not there, but I know that in this life you will have trouble. I just wanna let you know that I'm still writing you new love letters. You see how I take care of the sparrow. You see how I'm still painting the rainbow, so don't